Why is it that you might still want to look at 99.co, even though most agents would actually be posting on Property Guru? Is because of the fact that Property Guru is getting more and more expensive. So there are certain agents that generally do not have enough resources. Maybe they're just starting out, or they find the upfront investment to be not palatable to their taste. They don't have enough capital for it. So they might actually go for the cheaper platform, which is 99.co. So if it's not on Property Guru and it's 99.co, what usually it means is that there will be less competition for that unit because it has less exposure. Less exposure means not that great for the seller, but better for you as a buyer. So because 99.co is in some sense a weaker competitor to Property Guru, you might actually find some missed gems, right? Better deals as a buyer on 99.co